Harbor Freight just released some new super coupons, and you do have until June 7th for these deals. And I'm going to go over some of the top options you should consider. And I'll have a link down in the description below that goes directly to the coupons so you can load them to your phone and go to the store with the coupons. All right, first up, I'm going to start off with some Braun light deals they brought on. And it's the Braun 300 lumen magnetic work light. It's powered by 3 AA batteries. It's 300 lumens, has a runtime of up to 19 hours and 30 minutes, has a range of up to 80 feet. It has variable light modes of high and low. Also includes a pocket clip and a magnetic base as well. The retail price is $7.99, and you'll be able to save 37% on that, making it $4.99. And the next Braun light deal is going to be on the Braun 900 lumen rechargeable swivel head flashlight. So the head of this does swivel up to where it makes a straight flashlight or a 90-degree angle like that. It also has a magnetic base. Offers a runtime of up to 20 hours and a range of 435 feet. Also has a clip for hands-free use. The retail price is $25. And you'll be able to save 20% on that, making it only $20. And I got one more Braun light deal. That's going to be on this Braun UV leak detector LED flashlight. This one is powered by 3 AAA batteries that are included. It offers a 365 nanometer wavelength of the light. So it's great for detecting leaks, glass repair, curing, identify counterfeit money, as well as it'll highlight scorpions and other bugs and pests. So it'd be a great light for camping, especially out in the desert. So this light retails for $8, and you'll be able to save 37% on that, making only $4.99. Now I'm surprised that this next item is not part of the Dollar Days deals. So they have the Luminar Everyday brand of the 100 lumen swivel headlamp, and it is a LED one. Offers a runtime of up to 9 hours. Has easy on-off buttons. It's water resistant for outdoor use. The retail price is $3.99, and you'll be able to save 50% on that, making it only $2. And they're running a great deal on the Armstrong 23-inch to 65-inch single stud TV wall mount. Obviously the one on display here, they have it mounted sideways. It should be vertical. It is a full motion TV mount and has a capacity of 77 pounds, and the retail price is $35. And how about saving 48% on this wall mount and pick it up for only $18? That's a great deal. And they have a pretty good deal on this 2-inch diameter magnet. It has a metal housing on the one side and the magnet is on the other. So it offers a 25 pounds capacity, and the retail price is $5.49, and you'll be able to save 33% on that, make it only $4. And they have decent savings on the Harbor Freight brand of the 6-outlet heavy-duty power strip. It offers a 15-foot grounded power cord with the built-in cord wrap. It has it on both sides, so you wrap it around. It also has 2 spaced outlets and 4 regular outlets, so if you have bigger plugs, you can accommodate that. The normal retail price is $25, and you'll be able to save 20% on that, make it only $20. It's a decent deal. Next up is a deal on the Atlas battery, which is a 5 amp hour at the 40 volt or 2.5 amp hour at the 80 volt rating. So it powers all Atlas 40 volt and 80 volt tools. And this battery retails at $140. And you'll be able to pick it up for $110, which is saving $30, and that's 21% off. And they also have a deal on the Atlas dual voltage charger, so it charges both the 40 volt and 80 volt batteries. This retails for $60, and you'll be able to save 33% on that, making it only $40. And since I'm on the topic of Atlas products, so they do have a deal on the Atlas 80 volt 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. The normal retail price is $270, and the deal on that is only saving 11%, which is $30 off, and you can pick it up for $240. Of course, this previous weekend you could have got 20% off on one item deal if you're an ITC member. It's not the best deal we've seen on the lawnmower, but whenever they do deals on it, it's similar to this as far as being around the 10%, 11% mark. And they even brought on a deal on the Bauer 20 volt cordless jet fan blower. It is tool only, and this offers 338 CFM, and it's rated at 96 miles per hour. It has a dual speed setting to it. The retail price on it is $55, and you'll be able to save $10 on that, which is 18% off, and pick it up for $45. And they have one more Atlas deal. It's on the 40 volt 24-inch cordless hedge trimmer. The retail price on it is normally 58 bucks, but with the super coupon you can save 13% on that and pick it up for 50, which is only 8 bucks off. If you're getting any value from this video, I'd really appreciate it. Do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And why not? It's free to subscribe anyways and be notified of these tool deal videos. That way it helps you save money on tools. Now let's go to the next deal. And the next deal is a pretty good one. It's on the Hercules 4 to 5-inch surface grinding dust shroud. So you can outfit your grinder with this, attach your shop vac with it to help collect the dust while you're doing grinding of like cement or tile work, mortar, that sort of thing. So the normal retail price is 40 bucks. And how about saving 37% on that, and you can pick it up for only 25 bucks. That is a good deal. Next up is another Hercules deal. This time it's going to be on the 15 amp 66 pound hex breaker hammer. This is the big one that they have, and the retail price on that is 650 bucks. And with the coupon you could pick it up for $530, and that's saving 22%, so it's $120 off. That is a good deal. And in case you're wondering, they do have this stored on a Hercules breaker hammer cart, which is sold separately. It has bit holders on the back part of it, which makes it convenient, and that cart is sold separately at $100. And there's another Hercules power tool deal, and that's going to be on this 10 amp 12 pound SDS max type demo hammer. It is going to be only limited to demoing versus drilling like the other models offer. This retails for 270 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 230 bucks, which is saving 15%, and that's $40 off. And the next deal is going to be on a Hercules titanium drill bit set. It's a 21 piece set. It has a tri-flat shank to them, so you can only use a regular drill with it, and it offers the sizes from 1/16 of an inch all the way up to a 1/2 inch, which me personally, I would like a kit like this because I like the kits that include the 1/2 inch bit to it. So you are able to drill into metal, angle iron, wood, and plastic. The retail price is 25 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 20 bucks, which is saving 20% on that. And the next deal is going to be on the Bauer 3-piece of the step drill bits set. They are on a hex shank bit. They do say it's for use with drills, but obviously you could put in an impact driver if you needed to. So it includes number 2, number 3, and number 1. And it's good for drilling into metal, plastic, and even wood, which many of the other bits are not even good for wood. So this might be a good pickup right here. The retail price is 20 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $14.99, which is saving 25% on that. So it's a good deal on this kit. Now, I just made a community post on my channel asking the community if you happen to be just a DIYer or a professional that uses tools, whether it's a contractor, mechanic, handyman. I'm curious to know what the community is as far as the breakdown of everyone, if you're just a DIYer or even learning. So I'll put a link down in a pinned comment below if you don't mind taking the time and clicking on that and then submitting your answer. I'm curious to know what everyone does with their tools. If you're in need of some new grinding wheels, they have this Hercules pack of the 4.5 inch cutoff wheels that are the type 01/41. 1/16 of an inch thick. So the 10 pack of those retail for $12.99. And you'll be able to pick them up for 9 bucks, which is saving 30% on this pack. And that one's a limit of 4. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 1,000-pound engine stand. It's all steel construction. It has 360-degree swivel casters. The face plate does rotate and it locks in place. So there's a price discrepancy between the coupon and the price here in the store. The price here in the store is 110 bucks, but on the coupon it mentions it's $100. But regardless, with the coupon, you'll be able to pick it up for $80.99, which according to this price of $100, you would be saving 19%. And you'd be actually saving more than that if your store has a price at 110. This next deal is an awesome deal. It's going to be on this Icon 7-piece oil filter socket set. So it's a 7-piece set with a 3/8 drive, and it runs from sizes 24mm up to 36mm. It does come in a hard plastic case to store them all in. The normal retail price is 55 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for only 30 bucks, and that's saving 45% on this kit. That's an excellent deal on it. And I'm considering picking up one myself because I recently had my oil change done in my truck, and that was 140 bucks, which was insane. So one oil change would more than pay for this kit alone. And the next item is something we normally see during the dollar days, and it's on this 4-piece funnel set. So it has the various sizes of funnels, and the retail price is $1.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for only 99 cents, which is saving 50%. So it's a good deal on the funnels. And the next deal is a decent one. That's on the Pittsburgh dual power 120 volt or 12 volt inflator. Goes up to 120 psi. It says it can do a 5-minute 30-second inflation to 35 psi. So it's ideal for these vehicles, and it says it's compatible with a truck. I guess it depends on what your inflation needs are, but it's good to have a dual voltage inflator if you don't have a battery powered one by itself. So this one retails at 50 bucks for this inflator, and you'll be able to save 20% on that and pick it up for 40. And another Pittsburgh option is going to be on the 4-piece 3-jaw puller set. It's reversible jaws for inside and outside pulling. So it includes a 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch pullers. The normal retail price is 40 bucks, and you'll be able to save 25% on this set and pick it up for 30. I know some of you use a lot of this Brake Clean by CRC brand, and whenever they have a good deal on it. So this might be a time to pick up some, because this normally retails at 8 bucks. And how about saving 37% on that and pick it up for only 5 bucks? And this one is a limit of 4. And another item for consumable item that they have is a gallon of a degreaser. It's normally priced at $12.99, and you can save 38% on that and pick it up for only 8 bucks. And a limit of 4. And they even brought on a deal on the Badland Creeper. Icon Creeper. That's what it should be branded as, Badland. So this is a 43-inch professional creeper with heavy-duty metal frame, and it comes with 6-inch all-terrain casters and a padded headrest. It offers easy clean vinyl, lumbar, and neck support. The retail price is 140 bucks for this creeper, and you'll be able to pick it up for 110 bucks. That's saving $30, and that's 21% off. So that is a good deal on it. And they have another Icon deal. This time it's on the heavy-duty U-joint puller, and you can use up to a 1-inch impact wrench on it. And it comes with a heavy-duty storage case with that. That's priced at 110 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 90 bucks, which is saving $20, and that's 18% off. And they even brought on a deal on the Badland 3-ton off-road jack. It offers a max height of 29 1/16 inch and a minimum height of 6 1/4 inch. The normal retail price is 380 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 300 bucks, which is saving $80, and that's 21% off. And we have seen better deals in the past where it might be additional 50 bucks off. And a particular time, I remember it was either a year or two ago, I remember seeing a deal on it for 200 bucks. And that was when they had the normal price of 300 before they jacked the price up. No pun intended. So might be a good deal for 300. We just don't know if they're going to have a better one anytime soon. And the next deal is going to be on this Viking 20-foot 4-gauge jumper cables. They're considered heavy-duty jumper cables, and the normal retail price is 28 bucks, and you'll be able to save 21% on that and pick it up for only $22. And they have decent savings of 20% off on the Quinn 8-piece of the 3/4 drive impact socket set. They do have an SAE as well as metric down below, and they each retail for 50 bucks. And as I mentioned, you can save 20% on them and pick it up for 40 bucks. So it is saving only 10 bucks. And yeah, we have seen better deals when they had a 35% off on all socket sets. But if you have a need for it, it's better to save 20% now. And so this SAE set covers from sizes 1 inch all the way up to 1.5 inches. And then the metric set covers from 26 millimeter up to 38 millimeter. And they each come in a hard plastic case to store them in. And they even brought on a deal on the Icon fast adjust push button slip joint pliers. These are the 8-inch ones. So it has like a little groove portion right here, so you can grab onto bolts and extract them. These are pretty nice. I picked up this pair during that parking lot sale where I was saving 35%. These retail for 25 bucks, but this time you'll only be able to save 20% and pick them up for 20 bucks. So in case you missed out during that Spring Black Friday sale when they had the 35% off on all pliers, still is a decent pickup for only 20 bucks on that set. And the next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 22-piece combination wrench set. It has both SAE and metric. The retail price is 20 bucks, and you will be able to save 20% on this set and pick it up for 16. The sizes that it includes in the SAE is from 1/4 inch up to 7/8. Metric is from 6 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. And yes, you could wait till a better deal when they have the 30% off of items on a weekend deal, but we don't know when they're going to do another one like that anytime soon. And they brought on an awesome deal on this US General 30-inch 1-drawer service cart. So it has just the 1 drawer and then the top storage tray. It also has a bottom storage tray as well. It has a handle on each side so you can move it around easily. The normal retail price for this cart is 140 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $99.99, which is saving 28% on that, and that's 40 bucks off. This is going to be close to the lowest we've seen this cart. I think previously they might have had a better deal around the $90 mark but that was probably within the last couple years. So it's an excellent deal to pick it up for $100. And if you happen to have a 4-drawer US General cart, you could pick up this 1-drawer service cart and add the 5th drawer to that service cart. I did do a video on how to do that. I'll be sure to link that up above in case you missed that video I did a few months ago where I added the 5th drawer. And the thing that's nice about it is this is still a functional cart without that drawer. So you're still gaining a cart and then having the 5th drawer to the 4-drawer service cart. And the next deal is on the Pittsburgh 45-piece titanium nitride tap and die set in both the SAE and the metric sets. They come in a nice hard plastic case. They also offer the lifetime warranty. The normal retail price on these kits are $90 each, but you will be able to save 22% on them and pick them up for $70. And I will give an honorable mention to the Icon brand of the professional tap and die set in both the SAE and metric. They do have a deal on that as well. It's just not a great deal. So in addition to the Pittsburgh one that they have the coupon deal on, you could pick up the Icon set at 13% off, and they each retail for $150, and you'll be able to pick it up for $130. So it is only saving $20 on that, which is 13% off. But if you're after the Icon brand versus the Pittsburgh, at least they do have a deal on it. And the next deal is going to be on the Central Machinery 1500 watt steam cleaner kit. It has a 41-ounce capacity for chemical-free cleaning. It heats up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and the retail price is $130. And you'll be able to pick it up for $100, which is saving 23% on that. That's $30 off. It is a decent deal on it. I know some of you commented on the parking lot sale video where the Grant steam cleaner is going to be on sale, that they were considering actually picking up the larger one. This would be the time to pick up the larger one since this is not a Grant brand. It is Central Machinery, so that this will not be on sale during the parking lot sale. And the next deal is going to be on the large Apache case. It's the 9800 series weatherproof protective long rifle case. So it'd be great to store your paper hole punchers in it. It has 3 different colors of the green, tan, and black. The normal retail price is $150 for this case, and you'll be able to save $30 on that, which is 20% off, and pick it up for $120. I do recall we've seen better deals on this one, in particular being priced around the $100 mark. All right, the next deal is going to be on the US General 15 compartment adjustable pliers rack. So you're able to adjust the width of them to accommodate different sizes of pliers. It will hold 15 pliers total. The normal retail price is $18, and you'll be able to save 27% on that and pick it up for only $13. That's an excellent deal, and this one is a limit of 3. And the next deal is going to be US General adjustable height mobile service tray. So the work surface here is 29 inches by 20 inches, and the tray height does adjust from 34 inches to 47 inches. There is a drawer that is 12 inches by 20. The weight capacity is 220 pounds. So I don't know if you see in the picture here, it does have like a small drawer on the underside there. So you can hold additional tools with that. It also has individual compartment trays on the one side, and it has punched out holes on the other to be able to store other tools in. So this cart retails at $110. And you'll actually be able to pick it up for only $80. That's saving $30, and that's 27% off. Excellent deal on this service tray. And they even brought on a deal on the Icon 58-inch heavy-duty professional pry bar. It is a large pry bar, and it's the only pry bar under the Icon brand name. The retail price on it is $100, and you'll be able to save 15% on that, which is $15 off, and pick it up for $85. And they even brought on a deal on the Quinn 1/4-inch master socket set. It's a 54-piece set, includes both the SAE and metric, and no skip sizing. It has 24 shallow sockets, 24 deep sockets, 1 ratchet, and a couple of different extensions, as well as a universal joint. Comes in a nice hard plastic case, and the ratchet is a 90-tooth ratchet with a 4-degree arc swing. The retail price on this kit is $55, and you'll be able to save $10 on that and pick it up for $45, which is 18% off. And the next deal is on a Central Pneumatic HVLP gravity feed spray gun. It has a 1.4 millimeter tip size, and the retail price is $17 for that. But you'll be able to pick it up for $10, which is saving 41% on this gun. That's a pretty good deal. We've seen other deals on it too, and this is about the typical discount we see on this one in particular, but it's a good deal to save 41%. And they have decent savings on the Central Pneumatic 1-inch aluminum air impact wrench. It offers up to 1,500 pounds of bolt breakaway torque at 3,800 RPM. The retail price is $220, and you'll be able to pick it up for $170, which is saving $50 on it, and that's 22% off. And the next deal is going to be on this Chief 16-gauge air punch flange tool. It has a 7/8 inch flange capacity in a 360-degree rotating head. The retail price on that is $70, and you'll be able to pick it up for $50, which is saving 28% on that. All right, that's going to be the top super coupon deals I'm going to cover in this video. As I mentioned, I will have a link down in the description below that goes to the coupons page on the Harbor Freight site, and you can download them to your phone from there or through the mobile app. If you gain any value from this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.